Hi sir, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. May I know your good name?
Ramdas sir.
Yeah, Ramdasu. Can I have your resume? Yeah. Okay. So before moving to the interview, quickly introduce yourself.
My name is Ramdas. I am from Palnana district. I completed BTech from Department of Electrical Electronic Engineering in Newton's Institute of Engineering College.
Okay.
My technical professional with learning manual technique.
Okay.
I have gained valuable experience through my project during my academic year, which have helped me to develop skill in automation testing.
Okay.
My hobbies, I a quick learner and adapt eager to learn new things.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So you are good at manual testing, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what is testing?
Testing is it is one of the processing software development. Here tester is involving. There is check will whether software development properly develop or not.
Yeah. Okay.
There are two types of the testing: manual testing, automation testing.
Okay. So can you give the difference between test scenario and test case?
Test scenario, it is a single line description line. It defines that what to application test cases. It is a multiple ways to test. It defines that how to test scenario.
Yeah. Okay.
It known as test cases.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. So are you aware about the bug life cycle?
Yes.
Okay. So can you explain the bug life cycle?
Is set of a status will fixing defect process. Bug life cycle make life cycle fixing fixed systematical.
Okay. What are the status in go through with the life cycle?
Life cycle new
Okay.
new new reject to hold open
Okay.
duplicate defined bug fixing fixed retest reopen close.
Yeah. Okay. So fine. So you are told that status when you are going to explain this bug life cycle, you need to go with the systematic way. So where we are keeping the status and where how we are keeping the status. So we need to explain. Okay. So fine and. So why we are doing this? We are doing a positive testing and negative testing in testing. That is a mandatory thing. So why we are doing both positive testing and negative testing?
Positive testing, the checking the application with valid inputs. Here client check requirement working or not.
Okay.
Expectation should be accepted.
Okay.
Negative testing, checking the application with invalid inputs.
Okay.
Here client checking application rejected. It should be expectation should be rejected.
Okay. So fine and so have you learned about the user acceptance testing? Okay. What is user UAT?
UAT means user acceptance testing is level of final testing is done by testers. It is a client tester involved. Here checking the client satisfaction or expectation or not.
Okay.
With the two types UAT testing: alpha testing, beta testing.
Yeah. Okay. Fine and so what is the difference between bug release and bug leakage?
Bug release software version released with a set of bugs now, but those bugs are low priority, low severity. Release, this is release now as bug release.
Okay.
Bug leakage, bug is in a funded in a VAT testing which not finding tester and developers in development environment. Is bugs known as bug release.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
bug leakage.
So leakage. Okay. Fine. And what is the difference between bug and defect?
Bug developer accept defect is known as bug. Defect error found in tester. The variating is actual result and expectation result. This is called defect.
So okay, fine. So defect means a tester can found abnormal behavior, right? Like variation between expectation and actual. So you said that error. What is error?
Error means mistake in coding in is a error.
Okay.
It means human mistake.
Okay, human made mistake. Okay, fine. And what is what is authentication testing and authorization testing?
It is done by entry level checking valid input accepting or not.
Okay.
Invalid inputs rejecting or not.
Okay. Authorization?
Authorization checking the application users crossing any being limit. This is called authorization testing.
Okay, so when we have a multiple options, so we need to check that whether across they have some limits, okay, that user can use this options only. Whether he was crossing the limits or not is known as authorization. Okay, fine then. And what is the need of this testing? So we are doing a testing in a software. So why we are doing this testing?
Okay.
Is there any use?
Okay, to find the defect and bug inside the development environment,
Okay.
to reduce the failure in market, to the quality software releasable, to save money, save time.
Okay, fine. And have you heard about the design techniques?
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, design technique.
Okay, so what is BBA?
What will be a boundary value analysis?
Okay. Can you explain BBA?
Boundary checking the valid and invalid range of the field. Example, the field is accepted. Example, a search bottle give the
Okay, I can give. There is a one text box. It can accept 6 characters to 12 characters.
6 character, minimum 6 to maximum -1.
Okay.
Maximum -1. Example 6 character.
Yeah. Okay. Wait. So when you are explaining this BBA, so you need to go for valid. We have a minimum values, maximum values, average value. For invalid, we have a minimum -1, maximum +1. It means here, according to the requirement, 6 characters are acceptable, 12 characters are acceptable, and average 8 characters are acceptable, and minimum -1, 5 characters are not acceptable, and maximum +1 means 12 + 1, 13 not acceptable. Okay, good with that. And finally, what is GUI testing?
Was to graphical user interface testing.
Okay.
It is non-functional testing.
Okay.
Checking the user interface of the application include colors, any mistakes, spelling mistakes.
Okay.
They known as GUI testing.
Okay, so spelling mistakes, colors, logos, and font sizes, lower cases and upper cases, these all are coming under. Okay, so can you give some types of testing? Any types? How many you remember? Just give types.
Functional testing,
Okay.
smoke testing, positive and negative testing, regression testing, retesting, executive testing, IDEX testing, database testing, functional testing.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, whatever you know, tell the types of testing.
Okay. Smoke testing,
Okay.
checking the basics of.
No, just names you can give. Like just whatever the testings you remembered. Like while you are learning lot of testing. Just you can give the names.
For non-functional testing, GUI testing, usable testing, usable testing, security testing, recovery testing,
Okay.
performance testing.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, okay, Ramdas, I think I done with my side. You have any queries to ask? Okay, you can.